TajWhite is all set to conquer the hearts of consumers in India. The pleasure of writing. Presenting new generation of writing with different design approach. Explore a range of products for schools, colleges, office and corporate use. Write in style with TajWhite. Notebooks. Drawing book. Art books. Spiral notebooks. Wire-O notebooks. Writing pads. Loose sheets. Sketch pads. Experience TajWhite in a new variant. Personalized experience, design experience, riddle experience, puzzle experience, Brainteaser experience. Scan the QR code from the notebooks and enjoy. Start writing no matter what, and get wings to your words. Visit us at www.tajwhite.in.